In today's video, I'm gonna explain about how you can easily create Google account on your Android phone. So let's start it. First of all, you need to open up settings on your device. Then scroll down till you see accounts and backup. Tap on it. Here you see many options. Click on manage accounts. In this place, tap on add accounts. And then click on Google just like so. From here, click on create account. Now it will ask you that what kind of Google account you want to create. Select for my personal use because you can make your Google account without phone number. And right after that, you have to put your username and your last name right here and then click on next. Right after that, set your date of birth and your gender. Now you can pick one of these suggested Google address or you can create your own. So I want to custom my address. After completing, click on next. Now it's time for a strong password. After typing that, click on next and it's done. You successfully created this Google account. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tech videos.